Look at all these brand new Subarus. Got more over there. Just look. Look nice. Oh, there's a car coming. Brand new Subarus. I miss the new smell of my new car. I bought my car how many years ago? End of 2016. Yeah, that's almost 10 years. Yeah, almost 10 years ago. It was so sunny. I can't even see myself from the phone. So sunny. I'm just waiting for oil change, so I'm recording random videos with random thoughts. No, my brother said a cool idea this morning. Like, if I upload in a video online, AI can, the new technology now, they can make a clone of myself. Like, you'll answer any questions, talk to anyone with my voice, with my face. That would be cool. That would be really cool. I know they already have the technology right now. Maybe it's not as matured, I guess. But that's a really cool idea. I'm just going to record as much as I can and upload as much as I can. Well, I'm almost at the end of this car park. Or the area that shows the new Subaru. Okay, let's go back. Well, let's walk at this side. Let's walk here. Oh, I don't think those are new cars. Those are someone else's car. Okay, let's walk this way. My friend, my really close friend, I've known her for 20 years. I've known her since high school. She told me about this weird phenomenon about a woman at her 33 years old. I'm 33 right now, and she's a little bit older than me, still same age. She had her birthday in January, so she's already 34. And she told me about this weird phenomenal about women at age 33 would go over a crisis. She went over some serious medical issue when she was 33. Her friend went over some sort of issues. I don't know, I didn't ask. At the age of 33. And I recently saw another YouTuber. She went through cancer as well. She recorded a bunch of videos about 4 years ago. Her name is, I think it's Jenny Apples. I came across her channel. Yeah, she had lung cancer. And she was also diagnosed at the age 33. Maybe there's some weird thing going on for the age of 33 for women. Who knows? I'm totally atheist. I don't believe all this type of weird things. But it's just an interesting coincidence, I guess. Well, there are plenty of other women who are not age 34, 33 had gone through serious issues too. So I'm sure maybe it's just nitpicking about there was a name for it. Like when you hear a theory, you'll start noticing everything around you that matches that theory. Something biased. I forgot the name of that theory. Something biased when you heard a theory everything around you start matching their theory, even though you didn't notice about this before. Anyway, yeah, I'm just waiting. Looking at all these new cars. Some are not new, some are new. Sometimes they send me postcard asking me to upgrade my car so they can get more money, and I already paid. I don't want another car loan. I'm gonna use my car until it dies. It's great to have no car loan. Not sure how long it will last. Well, I don't know if I will be able to drive that either. Yeah, my car is almost 10 years. It has only like 50,000 miles right now. I hope it has a long way to go. I hope. We rarely drive anywhere. I work from home, so I don't have to commute, which was nice. I started working from home since COVID. It's really nice. You don't have to drive back and forth, waste like hour and a half every day just from driving. Just driving, you can listen to stuff, listen to books, listen to podcasts. You can do meaningful things, but I still rather not to drive to and from work. It's nice that my office is pretty close by my house, but they still let me work from home even after the pandemic. That's really good. I appreciate that. I got to see my son during the day, say hello to him around the house. Yeah, such a lovely day. Look at the clouds. So nice. Well, it may mean that it's gonna be super hot and sunny if I can go to the beach with my husband today. So we'll see. I don't want it to be too hot. The sunset is about 8 o'clock tonight. So I don't know. Whenever he wakes up, I'll ask him. I didn't even ask him. It was just a random thought I thought about today. Maybe I'm sure he'll say yes. And if we go at like 5 p.m. Maybe we'll be back like 7 or 8. Yeah, 2 hours. Maybe we'll watch the sunset. That would be really nice. Yeah, it's a really lovely day. You know, you don't feel like this when you're not going on a crisis. You know, if I just come here during a normal day, like gosh, I have to wait at the service center for like an hour. That's so long. Like, dang it, I got to read some book, bring something to read, find a video to watch. I was definitely not gonna come out like this during a sunny day. I'm a home person. I like to hide home. I'm totally not an outdoor person. Yeah, but in this weird situation, I found myself coming out, just enjoying the sun, which is weird. Which is weird. Yeah, just enjoying.
Yeah, so now we're gonna put us back with me.
What else can I say? I want to keep recording more and more video, but I run out of things to say. I'm still just gonna record myself. I don't know. I just want to leave something behind. I want to have tons of videos that my husband can watch. I want tons of video that my son can watch. Yeah. Just chilling. I'm chilling. Also worry about my phone storage. I don't know how much storage space these type of video take. Maybe once I upload to YouTube, I have to delete it from my phone, or like transfer it to a computer or something, to a like external hard drive. Like I remember these can go up to like gigabytes for each for like high quality. I don't even know what quality this is. I hope it's not taking up a lot of space. Yeah. We'll see. What time is it? It's 2:30 right now. 2:30, waiting for oil change. I'm gonna wait until I get a confirmation, and then I'll tell my mom. She's gonna have a heart attack. No, my mom is the type that like worries about everything. Like everything. Like she worries about things that are related to her. She worries about things that are not related to her. And she worries about things that is not even controllable. This is just one thing I have been practicing, like things that I cannot control. I guess it's like people say, it is what it is. You can't go back and think, oh, I'd rather do that, I should have done that. There's no point. There's no point. You can't just live in the past. Things happen, it happens. Thinking back, that just doesn't do anything, you know? My husband, he had a breakdown. So it's a couple of days ago. He's like, I should have pressed you more to go see the doctor, things like that. He should have stressed me out more, to push me to see the surgeon. I know. And also, the baby in me, there's very limited things that they could do to me. I mean, I told him. I guess I'm telling you again, if you're watching at some point in the future, there's no point thinking back. There's just no point. I'd rather you think forward. It's not gonna be like happy. I'm not trying to ask you to like be happy or what, because you can't just say be happy and then be happy. Just think forward. Think about things that you can control. If it is uncontrollable and it already happened, there's no point. I always like these theories, ideas I learned from podcasts. They really help me out. My husband told me the other day, if you want to cry, you cry. Strangely enough, I don't have a lot of tears right now. Maybe I will have a lot later, once it's confirmed. Once I start feeling the pain. Probably will. Right now, I just feel scared. More worried. I'm worried. What's gonna happen to him and the baby? You know, finance is definitely something I worry about. My mom. Who's taking care of her? Who's gonna take care of my mom? I don't know. I'm more worried than. Well, I wouldn't say I'm not sad. haven't been crying a lot. Oh, that is quite loud. Yeah, I have not been crying a lot. A little bit, so. My husband cried a lot. My brother also cried a lot. I haven't told my mom. I haven't told anyone. I told my friend, one friend, the friend who told me about the 33 years old theory. Yeah. It's getting hot. I will talk more. Right now I'm just staying under a tree, and it's super sunny. I'm staying in the shade, but I just want to be outside. If I go in, I sit at the waiting area. I'm just gonna scroll my phone, and then I cannot talk because there are people around me. I don't want to talk to these like weird thing. I don't think. I guess I don't really care. Like I said before, who cares? I just enjoy this quiet moment. I don't want people around me. Just enjoying my quiet moment outside. Alright. 16 minutes video already. Let's pause this. I'll keep recording and recording. Okay? I love you. I love you, Daddy. I love you, sons. I love you, Darren. I love you, Nathan. I love you for a million years. Peace.